Every day you get close to having your baby, Miley. Go ahead and eat out because they're going to need all your energy. Any day now. So excited. Since you're not going to have it today, it looks like it's going to be born next week, the first week of December. You could have a Christmas baby. Yep. Huge. And all your friends are happy for you too. The sheep and the goat. The weather. He's excited for the baby too. Keep eating. Come on, keep eating.